Hello, welcome back to my channel Lomzy Souls. My name is Uloma Ezike. Today's video I'll be sharing with you how I make passive money as a fashion designer. This is also the same thing applicable to any other profession you're into, as long as you want to make money from your home. Make sure you watch this video till the end so that you'll be able to grab one or two, because I'm sure that you're going to grab one or two from this. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell icon, because on this channel I upload videos on sewing tutorials and DIY almost every week. Now, if this is what you're looking for, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my vlogs. Now, for today's video, the topic again is on how to make passive money as a fashion designer, or for me, any other niche you're into, you can make passive income using this process. So I am going to be tabulating them. So the first way to make passive money as a fashion designer is by opening a website. Yeah, you can open a website and sell your ready-to-wear outfits on your website, or you can also open a website and sell your courses, your online courses on your website. Another thing you can sell on your website is, instead of you to sell your ready to wear, if you cannot get into ready to wear, you can also sell your bespoke outfits. Let's say you make a dress, you take a picture of that dress and put it up on your website, and do it in such a way that your client or whoever that is coming to buy such outfit will be able to, alter any of the thing, like change the design or change the sleeve or change the neck type or change something. You make it flexible that that person will be able to, choose this type of design or make their outfit by themselves. You know what I mean? By changing that same thing that you have made, maybe they will change the sleeve or they will change the neckline, something like that, but it's going to be that outfit. And you make them know that when they are changing anything, that it would cost them extra. So that's a way to, make passive income from opening a website, aside from your physical store as a fashion designer. Another way to make passive money as a fashion designer is by creating an online course. Yes, you can create an online course and, share them on platforms that will be able to promote them. It must not be you. Opening a website is you doing it your way, but creating an online course, you can create an online course and sell them to, some websites. The other one is you selling on your website, but this particular one is you selling your product, your online course, on other websites. There are other websites that you can sell on, but I know this one, Espania, that where you can be a vendor and be able to sell your online course on their platform. All you need to do is to create your online course. Let's say you want to, teach people how to make corsets. So you create an online course on how to make corsets, and on that platform, as a vendor, you'll be able to share your video. And it's not everybody that would, see the link. The people that buy it are the people that will see what you have, the video you have put up as an online course. And this time around, people that are registered on Espania will now come and see your video and sell your products. On Espania's platform, they have affiliate marketers that will be able to sell that your online course on their platforms. So people will buy and you get your percentage and they get percentage. And why I like Espania is that, whatever your product is worth, you mention whatever your product is worth, they sell and get their percentage, and you also get their percentage. I'll be dropping the link in the description section in case if you want to join their platform, so you join and be able to make money, passive money on their platform. That way, even if you're sleeping, when anybody buys your product, your money goes into your account. Now, another way to make passive money as a fashion designer or as anybody that needs a side hustle is by starting an affiliate marketing. Yes, this is where the cocoa is. This is where the main thing is. Yes, before now I used to think that I have to start a YouTube channel for me to start an affiliate marketing. My dear, I never knew you can do an affiliate marketing without being a YouTuber. When I started YouTube, I thought I would share my video and be able to make some money off of it. But the way YouTube works, because people are watching me, the people that watch me or the people that watch sewing tutorial are mostly African and mainly Nigerians. And if you're watching from Nigeria, you would get very little. You would not believe that 1,000 people can watch your video and you don't even make up to 500 naira. You can imagine. So I never knew it is that poor, but what gave me courage is that I'm going to be starting an affiliate marketing. But I had to wait for me to get 1,000 watch hours, for me to get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Man, that was not easy for me to start affiliate link. But I never knew I could do this without having a YouTube channel. All I needed to do is to have my mobile phone and WhatsApp or Facebook or any of those social media, and on that place I will advertise whatever affiliate link that I have to sell. Now I will explain this to you in a way you will understand. Affiliate marketing is a way you will sell product or online services to people, and when they buy such thing, you will get percentage for whatever you have sold. It's just by going to the website, getting the link that you're supposed to use and sell whatever product, and you make some money out of it. Some people like Amazon, if you have an affiliate link with Amazon, they would, I don't know if their affiliate link, when you sell anything on Amazon, you will get 10%. I can't remember how many percent you will get. But not all this affiliate marketing is easy for you to start in Nigeria or anywhere in Africa. But there's this particular one, Espania. You can start it anywhere you are in the world. You can join it. All you need to do is, I'll be dropping the link in the description section for you to be able to, join. If you click the link, you'll be able to join. What they are doing now, as at today that I'm making this video, 22nd of March till 26th of March, they are on promo. They are selling for 40,000 now for you to join. Annual payments, one-time annual payments of 40,000 naira. But after the promo, they will go back to 60,000 naira. So you can join that. If you're watching from outside Nigeria, when you're paying, it would be converted into whatever currency you're buying with or you're buying from. So you join the affiliate marketing and you'll be able to sell things. Why I like Espania is you're not selling physical products, like you're selling scissors or you're selling any other. No, you're not selling any of those things. What you're selling are digital products. That way anybody in the world can buy that product. And they have digital products that you can buy that are fast selling now. For instance, a lot of people are trying to know how to make targeted Facebook adverts and Instagram adverts. On that platform, you'll be able to sell such course to those people. And again, another one they have on that platform is how to be able to register a PayPal account in Nigeria and be able to send and receive money with your PayPal account. You know, this is a fast selling. Even you, as you're listening, I know you would want to know how to register your PayPal account successfully. Another digital product they have there is how to lose weight in a month. They also have digital products on how you can, study in Canada. So you can see that these things are things that are fast selling that you can sell on their platform. And again, the beauty of it is anything you sell on their platform is 50% of whatever you have sold. Like if they are selling that particular course for 20,000, you will get your 10,000 naira if you get the link and share it to your platforms. When the person buys using your link, you will get 50% of whatever you have sold. The good thing is, as at the time I'm making this video, 22nd of March till 26th of March 2022, they are having promo. Before now, it used to be 60,000, but now it is 40,000 naira. So I'll be dropping the link in the description section if you want to, join the affiliate marketing. This is something that you can make money, while you sleep. If you want to join the affiliate marketing, you can click on the link I'm dropping down and be able to, pay and join. After 26th of March, it will go back to 60,000 naira. Although it's still, good, because when I registered with 60,000 naira. The good thing about it is that it's a win-win, because like say you buy this product using my link, I will get 50% of 40,000 naira, meaning I'm going to be getting 20,000, and a second person buys, I will get 20,000 naira. Another person buys, I get 20,000, that is 60,000. I have gotten my money back. And aside getting that my money back, any product on there, any digital product on that platform that I sell, I'll be getting my 50% off of anything I have sold on that website. So I'll be dropping the link in the description section, for you to be able to click the link if you want to join the program. Listen to this disclaimer. Anything you're buying using this link, I am going to be getting 50% discount from what you have paid. Same as you, if you register on the platform successfully and you get the program, you learn the program, and they give you your link, you can also sell that link to other people and make your money back. So it's a win-win situation for me. So if you have any question, you can ask that in the comment section and I'll be able to, answer you and clear anything you want. So I'll be dropping the link in the description section. See you on my next video. Bye.